Alright guys, so in a large bowl, you're going to want to add you 1 cup of butter, a half a cup of butter Crisco, and then you're going to blend that together. And once it's all blended together, you're going to want to add you 3 cups of sugar, and then you're going to cream that together. And do you see that there's no oily separation of the butter? That's because there's no overbeating. You can't really overbeat this step, but you can. So just be careful not to. And to this mixture, you're going to want to add you 5 eggs and 1 egg yolk, one at a time. No rush, just like so. And this is what the mixture should look at. Still, there is no separation of the butter, so it's no overbeating. So this is major key. And do you see how fluffy the batter looks? It looks just like cake batter, and this is what it should look like inside of your bowl. And to that mixture, you're going to add you 2 teaspoons of strawberry emulsion. I picked mine up at my local Michael's. And there's an added bonus next, you guys. If I want a real strong strawberry flavor, I add the Louisiana oil to mine. And then I blend it all up. And this is what it should look like. A very light pastel pink color inside of your bowl. No separation of the butter whatsoever. Then to your bowl, you're going to add you 3 cups flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Make sure all that is sifted together. And then you're going to want to add you 1 cup of buttermilk and your half cup heavy cream. And then you're going to blend this mixture well, you guys. And this is what it's going to look like. Make sure you alternate both with wet and dry. And then to that is food coloring time. Go a little bit more on the red gel opposed to the red liquid, because too much liquid will overthrow your batter's consistency. And this is what it should look like at the end of the day, you guys. You should have this very pretty pink thick batter of pound cake, strawberry shortcake pound cake. Notice that you still see the strawberry bits from the freeze-dried strawberries, and notice the consistency of the batter. There's no curdling, nothing, you guys. It's just a thick straight batter, and you will bake this on 325 degrees. And this is what my cake looks like. This is my cake. This is how I decorated the cake, but keep in mind, this is your cake. You might be following my recipe, but it's your cake at the end of the day. Feel free to decorate it any way that you want. And if you guys want me to show you how to make the crumb coat, I will do that. But there's thousands of recipes out there online that you can find how to make a crumb coat. Have a happy holidays, and I hope you guys enjoy.